together, so this life can feel truly whole. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. You stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion to have you as my lifelong husband. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. You stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion to have you as my lifelong husband. You sing so beautifully tonight. In my wet dreams, it's only you. If in this life we still can't be together, I'm afraid this life will never find its end. I sing back to you, your voice is so sweet. Just lying on your chest makes me complete. I hope in this life we can be together, so this life can feel truly whole. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. You stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion devotion, to have you as my lifelong husband. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. Stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion, to have you husband. You sing so beautifully tonight. In my wet dreams, it's only you. If in this life we still can't be together, I'm afraid this life will never find its end. I sing back to you, your voice is so sweet. Just lying on your chest makes me complete. I hope in this life we can be together, so this life can feel truly whole. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. You stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion, to have you as my lifelong husband. Whether in this world or the next, I must be your little girl, and you must be my little boy. Only when we meet will it feel right. You stretch out your arms for me to rest on, to live beside you as your loving wife. Then I will give my words of devotion, to have you as my lifelong husband.